Hey guys, welcome back to the Citywise blog. So last week we showed you how to use the Citywise wallet together with the Ledger Nano S. This week we have something very special for you. A lot of you wrote us, told us that you're very excited about the integration, and we're very thankful for it. It gives us confirmation that we're doing the right thing. Now some of you asked, what about Trezor? And to those of you that don't know, Trezor is basically another kind of hardware wallet. And we have great news because we've done it. Now Citywise works with Trezor, and Yaroslav, maybe you show us a little bit how it works?
Yeah, sure. It's very simple as it was with Trezor, Ledger.
So how about we just show it to you, how Citywise works with Trezor.
Yeah. So we have on-the-go cable, which we use to connect Trezor with the Citywise application. Then we need to import our wallet into the Citywise application. So we click import here, then we choose hardware wallet. And here we have now a new button called Trezor, which means we're importing now from the Trezor device. So we give it some name. Let's say it can be whatever you like Trezor. Okay, and click Trezor button. It will ask us for permissions for USB. So now we are on the screen where we need to enter a PIN code. That's a PIN code that I have created when I initialized Trezor on my PC. So whenever you get your Trezor, you will need to initialize it using instructions which are written on the Trezor itself. As part of this process, I have created a PIN code. So now I need to enter this PIN code using keyboard shown here in the number map on the Trezor. So I'm entering the PIN code. Okay, now I'm asked on the Trezor to confirm my address. I'm pressing confirm button here, and now this address is seen in the Citywise application. I am confirming it here as well, and clicking continue. That's it. We have imported Trezor wallet into Citywise application.
So now I have my Trezor wallet connected with my Citywise application. Tell me, how can I do a transaction?
Sure. The process is very similar to how we have done it with the Ledger. How about you send me $10 back, which I have sent you previously?
Well, it's a little difficult, to be honest. I think I spent most of it. How about I send you what I have left over?
Okay, let's see how much you have left. Oh, not that much, huh?
I'm sorry, I tend to spend free money. But how about you show me what I need to do?
We need to go to the send button, and then from the context I can choose the wallet to which we will send the money, and enter the sum here. So that will be this small portion of money you have left.
I really did spend it all, huh?
Yeah, how you managed to spend so much? Huh? So we're on this payment screen, and I'm confirming the payment. It asked me about permissions to connect to the Trezor. Okay, that's it. It's connected, and it again asks me a PIN password here. So I'll need to enter the PIN and click proceed. Now I need to confirm this transaction on the Trezor itself, verifying that all the values are correct, as well as address. Confirm. And confirming once more time in the application. That's it.
Done?
Done.
Well, I just lost what remained of my funds, but to be honest, I'm very happy and excited to see how easy that was. And I have to admit, you put the whole scope of complexity into a very simple and unified user experience. I'm very impressed. Now, that was very cool. But tell me, maybe you have some other cool features going on?
Yeah, sure. So Trezor was the one feature. In addition to that, we also have introduced two new blockchain networks, which is Ethereum Classic and POA network, which is also Ethereum-based blockchain.
Very cool.
Those two both available in the application. You know, you can create wallets.
Very nice. But
those.
anything else?
Yeah, sure. In addition to that, we will also introduce two new languages, Persian and Hindi. So if your phone's native language is one of these, it will automatically switch to them. Or you can manually switch to those using settings in the application.
I see you guys are very, very ambitious. Now, I heard a rumor, tell me if it's right, but I heard a rumor that by the end of the month, we should more or less be available on the Apple Store and the iOS Store as well. Is that true?
That's true.
Wow,
Yeah,
so
that's the plan.
you guys can look forward to us coming to all the iPhones around as well.
Yeah.
I know you even have a screen. Fantastic. Very, very cool. I'm really excited for that. Well, guys, today we showed you a little bit how to integrate Citywise with the Trezor hard wallet. We talked about more networks, we talked about more languages, we talked about iPhones. So as you see, the team is extremely busy to keep giving you progress, keep giving you better user experience, and I can guarantee you that we're going to continue doing that. Until then, stay tuned. Until the next time, we're going to talk about some new features we have going on and maybe give you an update on the things we spoke about today. And until then, stay safe on the blockchain. Thank you.